Hey there! It's time for another episode of this Tech Tips series. In this Tech Tips series, we are diving into the exciting world of Powtoon. This episode is part of the Animation 101 Tech Tips series. In the previous episode, we explored how to add audio to your Powtoon project. In this video, we now explore how to add animation on your object, text, and character to your Powtoon project. Are you ready? Let's start. Adding effects on your object. Hover over the object you inserted on your stage, then click the Settings button above. A pop-up will appear where you can see the Effects option. Click on the Effects option to open a new pop-up window with two options: Entering Effects and Exiting Effects. In the Enter option, you can choose Pop, Fade, or No Effect for your object's entrance effects. There are also various animations available, such as Drawing, Slide, and Reveal. In the Exit option, just like in the Enter option, you can choose No Effect, Pop, or Fade for your object's exit effects. The Slide and Reveal are only available to choose from for your animation. Below the effects are other options available. You can add hand, if applicable, and add sound. To add a sound effect, click the Add Sound button and choose from the options available. Choose one animation from each option to apply effects on how your object will enter or exit the stage or canvas. To preview the added effect, reset the playhead to the 0-second timeline and click Play. Adding effects on your texts. To do this, hover over the text and click the Settings button above. A pop-up will appear where you can see the Effects option. Click on the Effects option button to open a new pop-up window with two options: Entering Effects and Exiting Effects. In the Enter option, you can choose No Effects, Pop, or Fade for your object's entrance effects. There are also various animations available, such as Writing, Text Effects, Slide, and Reveal. In the Exit option, you can choose No Effect, Pop, or Fade for your object's exit effects. The Slide and Reveal are only available to choose from for your animation. Just like earlier, you can add a hand, if applicable, and add sound. To add a sound effect, click the Add Sound button and choose from the options available. Choose one animation from each option to apply effects on how your text will enter or exit the stage or canvas. To preview the added effect, reset the playhead to the 0-second timeline and click Play. Adding animation to your character. Hover over the character and click the Settings button above. A pop-up will appear. Click the Animation option and Loop animation will appear. You can choose No Animation. In No Animation, your character has no animation applied. The Play and Loop allows you to adjust how many times the character will move based on your chosen movement. You can also add effects to your character by clicking on the Effects button. A new pop-up window will appear with two options: Entering Effects and Exiting Effects. In the Enter option, you can choose No Effect, Pop, or Fade for your character's entrance effects. There are also various animations available, such as Drawing, Slide, and Reveal. In the Exit option, you can choose No Effect, Pop, or Fade for your character's exit effects. You can also choose from either the Slide animation or Reveal animation. You can also add a hand, if applicable, and add sound. To add a sound effect, click the Add Sound button and choose from the options available. Choose one animation from each option to apply effects on how your character will enter or exit the stage or canvas. To preview the added effect, reset the playhead to the 0-second timeline and click Play. And there you have it! You can now start adding animation effects on your object, text, and character to your Powtoon project. In the next Tech Tips episode, we will learn how to add a transition and timing to your Powtoon project. See you there!